Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. Then in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price has made a very nice move. I mean, when you consider, or I should say a nice bounce, a very nice move relative to where it was when it was flirting with those lows. So I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that it was all the way down there, now all of a sudden the price has bounced up to that area of the chart, any rational person would say, yeah, the price has certainly made a nice bounce, nice move, but that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type movement? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 87 cents. Why is 87 cents important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 87 cents. If the price were to pull back, so come down there and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back to where it was inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, behaved in that manner, and then started to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 87 cents. What about levels of resistance going forward? Well, as of right now, it's all about essentially one area that a lot of people will be watching, and that is the purple line up there, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Currently, that's valued at 91 cents. Now, that is a moving average, so that value is going to move and change as the week continues to play out. But as of right now, that's the current value of it. So keep an eye on that, as that'll be public enemy number one. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very nice bounce today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this bounce and build upon this strength going forward. We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.